Guaranteed Sale Program. But I think the bigger thing to, again, when you're talking with the seller, is to focus on their problems. Focus on what's going wrong. Like, they can talk to a million different real estate agents, and I just know that they have. I know that they've talked to other people, so it's really, really important. What we've learned is to not just be a yes person. Like, I'm a professional person. I got a job just like you do. I am in service, but I'm not a servant. And when I'm meeting with them, Tami and I are very direct about what's gonna work, what's not gonna work, about problems that they don't even know that they're gonna have. What we have found is that, and of course we're also in the South. I'm not from the South originally, but now I play a Southerner on TV, so we have learned to match their energy, match what they're talking about, but also make sure that they understand we're in charge. And I think it's a balance that we both do pretty well, of saying, you know, you listen and you answer, but it's important that they understand, if you want to have the success that you think you want, you need to do what we say. You need to do what we say, the way we say it, how we do it, and that's how you will have the success over and over and over again. Now, I don't think I'm rude, and I don't think Tami's rude, but we're a little bossy. But what they say is it's not bossy if you're the boss. So, but we definitely get when we get connected with either buyers or sellers, we let them know that we're in charge. So, and even with our vendors, please work the way that we ask you to work. With our attorneys, please work the way we ask you to work. With our lenders, work the way we ask you to work, because that's what we're telling our buyers and sellers that you're gonna do. And if you do what we say, everything will be smooth and we won't have any problems. So I think that's really, really important to establish, I don't know, like a dominance, I guess, and that I'm in charge. But you know, with that comes the responsibility. I think that's something that we both, sometimes things don't go the way they're supposed to. Sometimes we mess up. But probably what sets us apart from many other agents is that we take the responsibility. Sometimes that means writing a check. Sometimes that means making phone calls. Sometimes that means running over there on a Sunday night, whatever it is. And not only do we do that, but we promote it with our whole team, and they know that our culture is that we will jump over hurdles, fight through turbulence, get things done. So we make sure that our buyers and sellers know that.